Hello guys, welcome to Photoshop Tutorials. Subscribe to our channel for regular updates. In this tutorial we're gonna learn how to change the tone of the image from day to night. The source files are given as a link in the description below. Select the background layer and click on Ctrl or Command J to duplicate a layer. Open a color lookup adjustment layer where you can see some default LUTs in Photoshop. With this we can create different tones with a single click. Now we're gonna turn this picture from day to night effect. Click on the 3D LUT file and click on Night from Day. There you go. The night effect in a single click. Now let's do some local dodge and burn. Open a new layer, click on Shift F5. On the dialog box select Contents option and click on 50% gray, blending mode normal and opacity 100%. Hit on OK. Turn the gray layer blending mode to soft light. Select the brush tool, masking colors black and white. Brush setting opacity 100%, flow 1% or changeable accordingly. Now select white and start dodging the subject. Only highlight the areas where you see lights on the subject. Once you're done with the dodge, select black and start burning. Burn only the areas where you see shadows. Okay, let me speed up this process. Okay guys, we are done with the local dodge and burn. Let's move on to the final image tone boosting process. Select the topmost layer and click on Ctrl or Command, Shift, Alt, E to merge all the below layers to form a new layer. Now click on Ctrl or Command, Shift A to open Camera Raw. Let's now boost up the image using Camera Raw. The final color grading plays a major role of fine-tuning a picture. Most of the professionals will bring up their personal touch using this final tuning process. Okay, now let's get into it. Let's go to split toning, which creates the final tone of the image. Since we are creating a night effect, we can go with the blue kind of tone. Okay, this is fine for me. Hit on OK once you're done. We've come to the end of this tutorial. If you have any doubts you can ask them on the comments section below. Hope this tutorial was useful. Hit on the like button if you like this video, subscribe to our channel and click on the bell icon for regular updates.